Hello everyone, my name is Jordan and today we are going to discuss Kiwi franc. Well, this is a pair I've been following for some time and it all starts basically again from the weekly chart where we got the most recent move to the downside. Then we said okay, we want to see the pullbacks. We managed to enjoy the first wave to the downside. Now the price is pushing back towards the top. In other words, as long as we don't have a valid breakout above the zone, what's this zone? That level will be all 69.40, right? We can be looking for these sells here. Hidden divergence did form on the first leg, and now we have a possibility for continuing divergence to form if we get the price towards the top. So that's about weekly. Obviously and clearly we are looking at the bearish side. Now on daily chart we can also see that the price is forming a cycle and we're approaching this very critical level, which we also saw on the weekly chart. And if you look left, you'll notice that this is a fantastic currently a resistance zone for us. There are two trend lines, an inner one and a longer term one. Let me just change the color very quickly here so you can clearly see them. So basically the blue one is the inner trend line coming from the last two highs, and then the other one is coming from the very top, the red one. So that perfectly fits once again with this high. This is also the place where we have still hidden divergence, okay, which is extending, and as long as there is no breakout above this zone, okay, the 69.40 zone level, we are still good to go. So my idea is to look for sells right there from this level. Basically we have multiple level confirmations, and when I drop to the 4-hour chart, you'll see that we are already stepping inside bearish territory together with this move and push right here. Another interesting fact would be that starting from the very low here, this is 161.8 of this move, and I'm not going to go into details of measuring legs and waves, but I just want you to see this, okay, the inverted 161.8 or the inverse. Not really sure what would be the term, but I do know how to use it, and I do know that 161.8 of this last consolidation is taking the price exactly and precisely towards this zone. So this is yet another confirmation for possible sales we are looking at, and basically that's the whole idea, guys. Of course, make sure to look for reversal patterns first of all. If you want to be aggressive, you can do that with divergences, but again, you must be using very low risk. And that's pretty much all. Now where do we can be looking for the targets? I'm not going to share. If you're interested about the targets, please leave your comment below and tell me what's your preferred way of trading, and then we can discuss what might be a good solution for you to look for the exit basically, and what would be the levels based on your strategy and based on your entry, and so on and so on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us in Telegram. Have a wonderful day.